So I have finished painting my circles. What I need to think about now, a lot of times as young artists, we forget about, like we get very excited about what's in our painting. So here I've used the element of design, lines, shapes, and colors. But another element is actually space, and the space is what is left over around these circles. So I need to also think about painting those. Now the tricky part is I've been repeating colors, but if I paint the background black, it's going to hide anything that's black that touches that color. So here, instead of repeating a color, I'm actually going to introduce a new one. So I need to choose one that I think would look good with everything, but at the same time, it needs to be a new color. So if I put this green here, when I get up to the circles, I need to be careful to go around them. But this green, it contrasts. It doesn't look the same as the black. It doesn't look exactly the same as the blue. So I still get to see my shapes, and I have my space painted. So what you're going to do when you finish your shapes is you want to actually paint your space now. So I'm going to go along the edge here, along the edge here. If you get a little paint on the table, I think people will be okay at home as long as you clean up after yourself. You want to always demonstrate, just like in a classroom. If we make a mess while we're making art, it's only okay if we clean up after ourselves. Someone at home might have a problem with you making art all the time if you're not cleaning up after you make your art. So I'm going to continue painting around my shapes to paint my space, and you guys will finish by painting yours. I look forward to seeing what these look like finished, so please feel free to email me an image of what you've worked on.